Hello everyone, I would like to give a preview of what I'm working on right now. Last year I promised a configurator for Eva, and right now I'm doing it as a 3D animated modular interactive manual. So as you can see right now it's already playing, and you can see how the whole thing comes together. I can at any time stop this, pause this, and look around. I can select which parts this is and get a little bit of a description. This is gonna get better with download links for the STLs, that kind of stuff. And I can see that this doesn't work. There's gonna be a lot of technical issues for now. I can let this play. It's gonna jump back where it was. And I can scroll forward a little bit. Here you can see the LGX light. And okay, I think this broke a little. Here it's coming together. Let me just scroll this forward. And here, let me show the configuration. So I can click on this, change the fan shroud to whatever I want it to be, and it's gonna be stay in the animation. But what's more important here, when the probes are coming in, and we can see how BL touch is attached. I can pause this. I can change this to 8mm probe, and the animation itself changes. So if I play now, we can see the hex nut, which doesn't really come in properly. This same thing. If I scroll a bit further, here we see the 40mm fan inlet. You can click on this, change it to anything else, this one or dual one, and again the animation itself changes to what it needs to be. I'll just let it play. The next thing that I'm going to be working on is adding the text. There's a lot of text in the manual that isn't here and would basically be flowing in the scene like this thing. As you can see, it sort of hovers in a very fixed place regardless of how I move around in the scene. Okay, and that's the end of the video. And other than the text, the next thing other thing that I'm gonna do is an AI generated voiceover using 11 Labs. They have a really good voiceover generation, so this could be also probably translated at some point to other languages, and it's going to be multilingual. But that's it for now. I would like to get some feedback on this. What would you improve? Of course, a lot of art direction needs to be done here. The scene needs to be improved. A lot of these technical issues, but as you can see, you can nicely click on everything. You can also change this to orbiter, but as you can see, like that, some parts are still missing. This is still basically a beta version of this. I can change the hot end, for example. That still needs to be done. Okay, if you have any feedback on this, let me know. Anything that needs to be improved, added, any features you would like. Of course, the next big step is going to be to do this for the whole printer. And personally, I'm planning this to do for other printers as well, other brands, Prusa and Voron, VisiBot, other printers as well. But I'm starting with Eva because the configuration is the most basically elaborate on the Eva. Okay, that's it.